Hey, 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 Dano doing fun stuff. Check out this. It's freshly painted. TC Restorations. Can't disclose the place, but check out that Ferrari. And then there would be another Ferrari over here. Looks like a 512 Berlinetta Boxer. That's gonna be put together here. Look at that. I got my buddy, him and I hanging out. How cool is that? I don't know what it is. We got some chrome bumpers. That's right, it's TC Restorations. And here's the difference between the finished side and the side that's being color sanded. Back to this Ferrari. Just painted. Isn't that pretty? Then this, I'm not sure what it is. It is pretty awesome. Got a 6.7 liter 413 motor in it. And obviously it's got a hydraulic roof in it. Oh, got the compressor popping on. I'm not sure what that is. Somebody out there who knows what it is, let me know. Stainless steel sides. Dano doing fun stuff. Supercharged Packer. How cool is this, huh? There you have it. TC Restorations. These are really fun. 59 Scimitar. 59 one of three. One of three. And this is the convertible, and they did a wagon. Wow. Talk about rare. This thing restored probably got to be worth billions, huh?
I don't know about billions, but it'll lose some money.
And Porsche is behind making this.
Porsche.